Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I am doing my weekly check-in before my hip surgery. That is a week from Thursday. I think that makes it 11 days, something like that, out before a total hip replacement. I have a lot of questions and some concerns from people who message me. They're like, have you tried everything? Like, have you tried all this and that and whatever? I've tried everything. And I'm a strength coach, I'm a massage therapist, and I've done it with other people that I'm like, try everything before you make a surgical decision. I believe there are many surgeons that push it in different orthopedic injuries a little too quickly. I believe that I didn't rush this. It's something where I've had physical therapy for over a year and a half almost. I've tried pelvic physical therapy, pelvic floor physical therapy, pelvic floor dry needling, CBD. So all those things are great and they have helped me through a lot of good function. I still just have, I can't do a low squat anymore. Deadlifting with that right hip isn't possible. I have like a range of 10 degrees or something like that where it's just like almost crunchy. Sounds awful. And golf. I can't, any sort of rotation really pisses it off. Golfing is something I do with my husband as my most favorite date ever. And if I can't do that, that's a huge bad thing for quality of life. So that was one of the biggest motivators when golf started really pissing it off and I couldn't make it feel better really quickly. It's one thing, like right now, I'm working out, I'm doing the deadlifts, I'm doing things. It's not fun, but I'm like, you know what? There's going to be nothing left in this hip going in. I'm going to get it as strong as possible and make it so I have better recovery on the other end. So my Tylenol, my heating pad, my CBD are being used to where I can make it feel a little bit better, but I don't ever get back to great. So then my point being, I have tried it all. I've tried it all and it's just time. And granted, I second guess myself all the time. I'll wake up and I'm like, do I need this? And then I go and bag leaves for the day and I can't even handle, it's not comfortable at all. And I said, yes, I do need this. So encourage you, try all the things first, then consider your surgery. And with a hip replacement, they are definitely more successful than other joint replacements. So I did know that going in, but that's what makes me feel good going forward. Hopefully that works.